Hi, I'm a teacher here at the school and I work with the smaller kids that are coursing throughout the whole years. With each group, we do an activity in which they use AI to identify different kinds of plastic objects such as trays and cutlery and vases, and they train the AI so it can tell them whether it is recyclable or not. They take photos of each sample, and each sample they load it into Google's Teachable machine, and they train that AI so it can tell them whether it is recyclable and how many times has it been recycled. In the aftermath, after ending the activity, it's a very short activity, we speak about how to train the AI, how to make it better understand and identify these objects, and we show them the Moebius strip so as they can know how many times an object has been recycled. This activity has a continuation throughout the whole stay in school. It's called Proyecto Cambio, and in that project they can continue working with different kinds of materials and different forms of recycling and different people that are in the recycling universe.
In our primary, we introduce students to how technology works and how to use it safely. Every IT class, every project encourages creativity, curiosity, and confidence with different technologies. AI is one of the most recent projects we have introduced in computer science in primary. It definitely looks like magic for 6 to 12-year-olds, but it isn't magic, it's code. So learning about it can help us understand how it's changing the ways we live, we work, we learn, and definitely how students play. For the last 3 or 4 years, we have been using materials from Google, from Code.org, to introduce young students to AI and machine learning with hands-on activities using predictive data models. By solving these challenges, students practice making their own predictions, and they learn about data categorization and sorting. One of our projects invites 10-year-old students to help AI, which is an intelligent robot, to clean the oceans by training it to detect trash. After training with hundreds of pictures of fish, cans, sea plants, plastic bottles, they learn about training data, the concept of bias, and how AI can address world problems and definitely find solutions. Our students understand that our computers around us are making decisions, and those decisions affect our daily life. For instance, when we do an internet search or when we scroll feeds, our computers, our cell phones decide what we see. So computers can recognize our face, they can understand our voice. They can even drive cars, detect diseases, sometimes even better than human doctors, So we ask students, how this is even possible? Well, our teaching is focused on a type of AI called machine learning. This is what we learn about in primary school projects. Machine learning is how computers recognize patterns, how they learn from trial and error, from practice, from experience, same as we do. So since machine learning can make any kind of data, our students trained their computers with pictures, and they explored with Quick Draw, an experiment by Google, how millions of computers and users can teach and improve the computer's performance with a lot of practice. Have you ever tried this experiment? It's a game built with machine learning. You draw, and a neural network, a type of AI, tries to guess what you're drawing. Of course, it doesn't always work, but the more you play with it, the more it will learn. This example helps us show students how a computer can learn from patterns and, in the next step, to produce pictures or text. This is generative AI, and they try producing creative pictures with AI fully understanding how this was possible. This is an example of a software which can produce a picture of, for instance, a panda surfing on a sandy beach. It feels like magic, but now our students know how this is actually possible. Older students, say 11 or 12-year-old, also combine their knowledge of coding with Scratch to produce games or chatbots with some introduction of AI. This is for sure the beginning of an amazing world of possibilities, of opportunities in their lives, and much better if they can understand how it works and how to use it safely.